G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic opportunity, 15 McGregor Close in the popular Bayside suburb of Craignish. This home is a bit of a blank canvas with plenty of options, so let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise in Hervey Bay's popular Northern Beaches suburb of Craignish. You also had the convenience of having Hervey Bay's essential amenities only a short drive away, including shopping centres, hospitals, cafes, restaurants, and the Craignish Country Club and golf course is nearby as well. There is also a public access way through to Oregan Creek Conservation Park and the beach at the end of the court. Positioned on a large elevated 2,021 square metre fully fenced allotment, this property includes a neat 2-bedroom weekender, which will be perfect for the keen fisherman with a number of boats and ramps to choose from, all within a short drive away. The fully serviced cottage does include 2 bedrooms, one of which includes a ceiling fan, and the main open plan living and dining area also includes a ceiling fan and air conditioning. And there's also a bathroom with shower, vanity and toilet. The functional kitchen does include a freestanding gas stove with 4-burner gas cooktop. You also have a 9 by 6 metre double bay shed with insulated roof and power connected. The shed comes complete with a bathroom and has gas hot water connected as well. There is also a kitchenette and a lined room that could be used as guest accommodation when needed. The laundry is also positioned to the rear of the shed. This property features a bore with pump that will be ideal for watering the gardens and lawn areas. You will note the 2 driveways with sliding gates and ample space to accommodate large caravans, RVs and boats. The owner can also offer the option of providing all the plans and information required to proceed with an architecturally designed home, specifically to suit this block, with soil tests, engineering and water treatment plant details available upon request. This home will be perfect for your new weekender, or down the track you'll be able to build your new dream home and add to that as well with the option of having that dual living. So here is the opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.